In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Figma, step by step. If you've ever wanted that clean colored highlight behind your text, like a marker effect or a label backdrop, this is the simplest and most reliable way to do it in Figma. We'll keep it quick and clear so you can use it in any design, from social graphics to UI mockups. First, open the Figma website and head into your file or project. Make sure you're on the page where you want to work. If you haven't already added your text, go ahead and do that now. You can press T to select the text tool, then type your headline or paragraph and choose the font, size, and weight you want. It's best to finalize the wording and basic styling first, so the highlight matches the space you need. Next, create the highlight shape. Select the rectangle tool, press R on your keyboard, or choose the rectangle from the shape tools and draw a rectangle over your text. Aim to cover the text area you want highlighted, with a little extra padding around the edges so it looks intentional and readable. You can always adjust the rectangle's width and height by dragging the handles until it frames your text the way you like. Right now, the rectangle is probably sitting on top of your text. To place it behind, adjust the layer order. With the rectangle selected, send it to the back so the text sits on top. You can use the arrange options to move it backward until the text is clearly visible. If something still looks off, double-check that you have the rectangle selected and that it fully spans the area you want to highlight. Now, click the rectangle and head to the Fill section in the right-hand panel. Choose a color that complements your design. For a classic highlight look, select a bright color and reduce the opacity slightly so the text remains crisp and easy to read. You can also try softer pastels for a subtle accent or pick a brand color for consistency. If you want rounded corners, adjust the corner radius for a smoother tag-like effect. That's it. You've highlighted text in Figma by placing a colored rectangle behind it. You can resize or reposition the rectangle at any time if your text changes, and you can duplicate the setup to reuse it across your design. Simple, flexible, and clean.